Dr. Esther Trufan, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use a simple scale. For this part of the experiment, we're going to use this scale, which is a fairly straightforward instrument. An instrument is anything that gives us a number for a measurement. I'm also going to use a weighing boat. I'm going to use a beaker, and then I have a lot of spatulas to choose from. There's this one for larger amounts, a scupula. Then I have a spatula for small amounts and very small amounts. And then I have the disposable versions here. To record my mass, I'm also going to use a solid here. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the lid from my scale, turn it on. I will place the weighing boat on it. Press stare. It will show 0.00, and this is where I can begin measuring the amount of material. I will use this time my lab spatula and place some amount of sugar in my weighing boat. Because I use the tare function, when I record the mass of the sugar from the weighing boat, it will be exactly 1.04 grams. And this is only the mass of sugar. Another way to use the scale is to use some kind of container. And if we keep adding multiple things into the container that may change their mass or react with each other over time, then it is important that we subtract the mass of the beaker where we began the experiment. When we're recording mass by difference, we want to get the mass of the beaker first. And so before we even place the beaker on the scale, we make sure that it is tared, so 0.00. Then we place the beaker on top. And now we record the mass of the beaker on a separate piece of paper. Then, to measure the amount of sugar that is added, we're going to use our spatula. Place as much sugar as is needed into the beaker. It doesn't have to be sugar, it can be any solid. It would work the same way. If we added enough, then we're going to stop and we are going to record the mass of the beaker and the sugar. To get the mass of the sugar, we're going to take the mass of the beaker with sugar and from there subtract the mass of the beaker by itself. And that's how we get the mass of the solid that is inside the beaker.